Today, I stand before you in all humility and with a fierce commitment to the greatness of our dear sunshine state, and I offer myself in deference to your popular yearnings and upon wide consultations, not just to run the race, but to continue as governor of Ondo State and to be your candidate for the great party, your progressive content in the 2024 gubernatorial election.
With his boss as a deputy governor. So in terms of experience, he's right there. In terms of IQ, he's right there. And in terms of foresight, he's right there. So we see a reason, or many reasons, to believe that Lucky Orimisan Aiyedatiwa should be the next governor.
Somebody's lawyer should, who is that lawyer, should be compensated in this manner. So I congratulate him too, because I can see him winning these primaries. You can see the mammoth crowd here today. Everybody is showing interest. All the 2 and 3 wards here in the state are supporting him. The leaders of the party today have endorsed him in Ondo. Say, what else do you want? So it's a man that one should follow. And it's my joy to support him. I'm doing that with all responsibility.
He has shown capacity, he has shown capability, and he has shown capacity and character that he's a leader that has compassion for his people, a leader that has learned the rope, a leader that has gone through the tutelage under the leadership of our immediate past governor.